They can try to beat you, they can try to intimidate you, they can try to make you feel like you're nothing, but women, we are all something, and we can all fight back. We have that capability in us, and that's what I did. When I was attacked last night while I was walking my dog, I fought back, and I am so blessed in that over the last few years I've gone out and I've done kickboxing classes at my local gym, and I've done self-defense classes, so I had the opportunity to use those skills, and I kneed my assailant in his groin very hard. He hit the ground very hard, and I then kicked him twice while he was down, and then I grabbed my dog and I ran. So I got away and I got out of that situation, and the reason I could get out of that situation is because I had gone and done self-defense training before, and I'd done kickboxing before, so I really recommend anyone who has the opportunity to do either of those things that they do them, because if I hadn't, I don't know where I would be now. I can certainly imagine it would be a lot worse than a broken nose and a broken toe. Good night, everyone.